This is Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection, and this is a 1-minute home inspection. Hey guys, we are out here looking at some wiring. I want to show you what we're looking at. Older home, got a really old kind of rickety garage outbuilding. The way we're powering this actually, and you got a satellite out here too. We got some wiring running all the way across this fence line from back of the house out to this garage. One of the things we're always on the lookout for as inspectors, at least with our company, is what kind of work has the homeowner been doing themselves. And too often we see just like homeowner non-professional jobs, and this would be, definitely in that category. Just look at the wiring from the house, the way they've come out of the house, run it down this way along the fence line here. There's a right way to do this, and this is not it. What we're doing here is leaving this wiring in full exposure to the elements, to birds, other things that could cause issues with this wiring, cause damage and that kind of stuff. So definitely something here we're going to point out to this client here. Like I said, this is just homeowner get by with what you got type of work, and we see it all too often. So good find here, and we'll make sure these guys are aware of it. Again, this is Brandon the Home Inspector. We'll see you on the next one.